got here, this city was filled with people. People who didn't understand what it's like to grow up alone. They had mothers and fathers who cared for them. All we had was each other. But that's going to change soon.
Hello guys, we are at the next part of Ratchet and Clank Into the Nexus, and as you can see, we are on a new planet, and it is Planet Silox.
I believe she is capable of anything. We must find her.
I was just waiting for Clank to finish talking. And it kind of gives you a creepy feeling, because if you look up there, you could kind of, I don't know, it just makes you feel like somebody's watching you. I don't know. Does anybody in this game think that sometimes? Because, I don't know, this game's supposed to, some of the levels are supposed to give you a creepy feel. Doesn't really bother me that much, but it might bother younger people. So, just warn for the younger audience.
This must be the old grav train station.
Everyone sure left in a hurry. Let's see if we can clear that track.
Really, this game's pretty good. I like it. Looks good. Has good gameplay. And I forgot to say that they brought back raritanium in this game, basically. I think that's pretty interesting how they did that. And since you played this game before, you have to go over here. An upgrade. Yes! It's upgraded. Level up. Now it's fusion bomb. Oh, so it's sort of like, oh, that's what they mean by bomb. It's less like a grenade now.
Is it true Emperor Tachyon offered you a way home and you turned him down? I don't think I could have done that. We wanted to go home, but we've been here too long. So we decided to bring a home to us.
Looks like you got enough raritanium for an
Aw.
upgrade.
I thought I'd get Mr. Zircon out for a second. You got to wait for a second before I get this guy. Don't think you're off the hook, dude. And yes, a rhino part is hidden right over here.
Part. Good going. Those plans are too dangerous to leave lying around the galaxy. Look for 6 more.
I kept what you're saying, Plumber. Also, I'm gonna have to get him again, ain't I? Yep. I can go all the way around again. Yeah. You're mine. Now all we have to do is find one of those battery sockets or something. And there it is. Dude, you might wanna, never mind, he's dead. And, oh great, there's nethers. We're dead. Yeah, Die. Aw, stop flying like a baby, Nethers. All you do is keep phasing.
Stupid space rat! How dare you hurt my friends? You're going to regret that.
Hey. Surprising somebody saying that for somebody who killed my friends in this game. Burn.
Be careful, Ratchet. That turret is still active.
Oh. Darn. Well, okay. Let's go down. Die. So far, my favorite weapon are the narrow blades they just saw.
Scout ahead for me, would you, pal?
Secret Agent Clank reporting for duty.
Oh, I like that reference. I played that game on the PSP once.
I believe that console is a relay station for the thugs' communication. Accessing it may allow us to triangulate the twins' position.
Maybe.
We should be safe as long as we stay clear of those searchlights.
Okay. Get some
Another empty
bolts.
power socket.
Ah, rare Katie. Get over here. Don't think you can run from me, stupid thing. Square.
Swing shot target.
And there we go. Swing shot targets.
I'm afraid. You are so afraid.
Shh.
You're
I'm
like
gonna
a little
scare them.
baby. Where? You going?
But how do they know? Never mind. This kind of reminds me of the doppelganger from the last few Ratchet and Clank games. Except it's more of a theme of this game, where it's a little bit more creepier than the doppelganger. And doesn't have Ratchet's face on it. Okay. There we go.
Let's take a shortcut through the waterworks.
He means the sewers. He doesn't mean the sewers, does he? And yes, he does. Oh, great. I gotta go through here again. Oh. Looks like I gotta go through the sewers again, then. Not sewers person. Okay. Hello, you guys up? Oh, I forgot. There's a spawner here. The main theme of Ratchet and Clank games are always
But
spawners.
the place is flooded.
Well, the main thing for enemies.
Let's see. According to the city planner's office, that main pump is connected to the primary reservoir. Turn it on and the whole room should drain.
I'm playing. Well, guys, I hope you like this part, and I'll be back to you later. I gotta do something.
Look. down
Sorry
there.
the part was a little bit shorter, but kind of busy with sun, so I'll be right back in the next part.